Hi everyone, Tim here. So welcome to my new print-on-demand tutorial. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you exactly how we can build a really good print-on-demand store with WordPress and WooCommerce and also Printful. So I will guide you step by step through this whole tutorial so that you can exactly follow me what I do, so that you can create your own print-on-demand store, your own free print-on-demand store. So yeah, it's free because we are using WordPress and WooCommerce, and WordPress and WooCommerce, yeah, they are completely free. Everything in this video is completely free that I want to show you, yeah, beside of the hosting. So hosting, yeah, you have to buy hosting, but hosting is really cheap, and I want to show you if you don't have hosting yet, then I will show you in this video a really good hosting company that is really cheap, under $3 per month plus domain. And also I will implement chapters in this step-by-step tutorial. So in case you want to skip some chapter, if you already have hosting, for example, or if you already know how to install WordPress, then you can easily skip this chapter and move to the next. So then let me tell you real quick what we are going over in this step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, we are starting with the right hosting company. I will show you how you choose the right hosting company and how you install WordPress, and then we are going over the right theme. So I show you a really cool theme that we are using for this. This is a really professional theme so that we completely can customize everything. We are using Elementor in this tutorial. So I think Elementor is pretty easy. So even if you are new to WordPress and WooCommerce, then yeah, you can understand how this is working, how you can use Elementor with WooCommerce to build really, or WordPress to build really high quality websites or pages. And yeah, then we are setting up everything in WooCommerce, and I will show you every steps in detail, what you have to do in order to set up WooCommerce correctly, so that your store is working perfectly with yeah, all the orders coming in, hopefully. And then I will show you how you can connect WordPress or WooCommerce to Printful. So this is a little bit tricky, but I will show you everything in detail, how you can do this. Then we will create our first print-on-demand product, or even we are creating a few print-on-demand products, and then we will synchronize them with our store so that our freshly created product is synchronized correctly with our store, so that when an order comes in, for example, that the order automatically gets fulfilled by Printful and gets sent out to your customers. And then yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. So after you finish the store, so the store is yeah, pretty much hands off, so you don't have to do yeah, pretty much anything, because everything is handled automatically. When an order comes in, then the order will automatically get redirected to Printful, and Printful will produce the product, the t-shirt, mugs, everything you can imagine, will automatically produce it for you, and they will charge your credit card for this, yeah, because you have to pay Printful for the production, for the design, and then yeah, they will ship it out to your customer. And also, of course, we will or I will show you how you can integrate different payment methods so that your customers can pay you, and yeah, will pay you the amount, and then the order goes to Printful, and everything in between what you have to pay to Printful and what you charge for the specific product is your pure profit. And so yeah, at the end of the day, this print-on-demand store is yeah, pretty much hands off. You don't have to do anything, because yeah, everything is automatic. So you only thing you have to do is yeah, improve your designs, improve your SEO, or yeah, create new products that you can sell and that you can promote. So, and then of course the last thing is we will test our store. We will make sure that everything is working and everything yeah, that all the payment methods is working, that the connection to Printful is working, and then yeah, of course we will customize everything, the pages, the shop pages, and of course I will show you what pages are necessary, what pages we have to include, and yeah, then we will talk a little bit about SEO, what we can do to improve our SEO, because yeah, we want to have visitors, organic search visitors that comes from Google when they search for, I don't know, a t-shirt with a dog image, then they will get, or they will land on our store and buy from our store or from your store. And yeah, this is what I want to show you in this video. Yeah, and then I think that's pretty much it. So I think, yeah, then we will start with our first lesson. We will start with yeah, choosing the right hosting company and setting up your domain and your hosting. And if you want to skip this, like I said, I made chapters in this video, in this tutorial, so that you can jump from chapter to chapter if you already know this. And yeah, so then I think, yeah, this is pretty fun, and this is really fun, and we can build here something really exciting. And so then let's jump right into it. So, and here I want to show you a really good hosting company that I personally use all the time. It doesn't matter if you already have a good hosting company, if you are using a different hosting company, that's completely okay. You can use any hosting company you want, but make sure that the hosting company offers you a free SSL, that a hosting company offers you the option to install WordPress, and yeah, that the hosting company is not too expensive. So, and let me show you here on this hosting company. So here you can see you will get hosting with SSL and enough storage space for under $2, and I think this is pretty good. So this is why I use this service all the time, because I'm not in the mood to pay, I don't know, $10 per month to get hosting for yeah, a website or an e-commerce store, and this is why I use this for example. But like I said, you can use every hosting service and every domain service you want. So here you can see we have different packages, and I also put the link to this website or to this hosting company in the video description down below. So then you can click on the link in the video description, and you will get redirected to this page, and then you can buy this if you want to. So here you can see they offer different packages. They offer starter package, Drive, Turbo Boost, and Turbo Max. So, and to be honest, if you want to create a normal website or a normal e-commerce store or a print-on-demand store, the startup package is more than enough. Yeah, this is it's true. So these packages, yeah, they are good, but it is a little bit too much. But let me show you what the starter package can do for you. So if you want to create a print-on-demand store, then this starter package is more than enough, because you can see you will get one website, so you can yeah, get one website, one domain name. And also, if you want later on to upgrade, you can do this. You can upgrade to a Drive plan or Turbo Boost plan if you want. But for the start, you can go with this. Then you will get yeah, one website, one domain name. You get 10 GB of storage. So 10 GB is so much. WordPress installation is around 500 megabytes, and then everything else we need storage space is are the images. And the images, of course, yeah, images are big, but they are not so big that we need so much storage space. So 10 GB of storage space for a print-on-demand store is yeah, more than enough. Then we will get yeah, free site migration. We don't need this, and we will get also here free SSL, we get WordPress one-click installation. So this makes it really easy when you, for example, buy this package, and then you can simply make one click, and then WordPress is installed and you can start. And this is really good. So for example, if you want to have this, then we click here, or you click here, get startup, and then you will get redirected here, and then you will enter your name, and here you can choose the package. Here you can see you will have to pay upfront. So if you choose 36 months, then it is under $2, $70.20 for 36 months. I think this is pretty fair. And yeah, here you can see what you have to pay. And then if you don't have a domain, so www.myprintondemandstore.com, for example, or mygreat-t-shirts.com, for example. If you don't already have a domain name, then you can register a domain name here. So then you click on I need to register a domain name, and then you can input your desired domain name, mybesttshirts.com, for example, and then you can click on check availability, and when the domain name is free, then you can register it. So I think then when you register the domain name, it is $10 or $11 or $12, something like this, per year. Oh, this is yeah, pretty fair. So this hosting company is the cheapest hosting company, and this is the best hosting company in my opinion. So I use it all the time, and yeah, why we should pay so much for hosting if we can get a good hosting company for cheap. So, and here you can set your server location. So if you are in the United States, for example, then you choose East Coast, West Coast, and if you are in Europe, like me, for example, then in my case I would choose Amsterdam, because yeah, this is right around the corner, Amsterdam, from me. And if you are in Asia, then you choose Singapore, Asia, India. Yeah, and then it goes to the exciting part, the payment. Then you choose how to pay, by credit card or PayPal or bank transfer. And yeah, then you have hosting and a domain name. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then all you have to do, if you if you register your domain name, pay for your hosting, then the next step is the system will ask you what you want to do. And in most cases, yeah, almost anyone would like to build a WordPress website. So then the next step is that the system will ask you if you want to install WordPress, and then you click yes, I want to install a fresh WordPress installation. And then everything is done for you. The SSL certificate is done for you. So SSL is really important. SSL certificate is this certificate that makes your website secure. So this is really important that you have this. But yeah, this hosting company will automatically install this for you. And then you click, like I said, on on install WordPress now. And then WordPress is installed. You will give the WordPress installation or your new shop, your new website, a name, My Great T-Shirts shop, for example, and you will select a username, and then you will select a password. So make sure that you write it down or save it on your computer, because this is important. And yeah, then you are good to go. And then yeah, you can follow the next step I will show you in this video tutorial. And then yeah, so I think let's get started with the next chapter. Okay, let me explain you why we are using WordPress and WooCommerce to build our print-on-demand store. So yeah, of course, WordPress and WooCommerce have the main benefit that they are both free. So you don't have to pay anything to run a WordPress website or to run a WooCommerce store. Of course, you have to pay for the hosting and your domain name. But yeah, that's it. You don't have to pay for WordPress and WooCommerce. So we are using here WordPress.org. not WordPress.com. So WordPress.com is a completely different service. So WordPress.com is something like Wix or Squarespace or Shopify or something like this. So we are using WordPress.org, the free software WordPress.org, and yeah, it is completely free, and you don't have to pay for anything. So then other benefits are it is fully customizable, so we can make literally anything with WordPress and WooCommerce. So we can build really nice company websites, we can build online stores, we can build dropshipping stores, we can build forums, community websites, and yeah, this is the main benefit of WordPress and WooCommerce, that is so flexible that you can literally do anything with it. You can, if there is a function, for example, that is missing, or that a function that you are looking for, then there is definitely a plugin for this, so that you can implement the specific function or feature into your website or into your e-commerce store. And also, for example, if you cannot find this specific function or plugin that enables specific functions on your store, on your website, then it is possible to code something, to create something completely new. If you understand coding, then you can code this for yourself, or pay a developer for the coding job. And yeah, so this is why WordPress and WooCommerce is so great. And here I found a really cool image that explained everything why WordPress and WooCommerce. So yeah, it is customizable, all the extensions, it is so flexible, it is scalable. If you run a WooCommerce store or a dropshipping store, so you are not limited in the product size or the function or the capability of your new store. You can put in 10 products or even 10,000 products. It is so great, and this is the main benefit over platforms like Shopify or Wix or Squarespace or something like this, because for example, Shopify, it is so expensive. You have to pay a monthly subscription fee, and every app you want to install, you want to use is paid and is subscription based. And this is the main downside of these programs. Of course, these shop systems or these website builders have their own benefits. They are more easy because this is a system that gives you exactly the functions you only can use, and that's it. So you only have some specific function that you can use, and it's not so customizable. Of course, Shopify, for example, it's a huge company and they have to make money with this. And so this is why you have to pay such an enormous amount of money for all the apps and the basic Shopify version. And on the other hand, WooCommerce and WordPress are completely free because they are open source projects. So everyone can work on make WordPress and WooCommerce better, and put the code out there, so that the new code, that the improvements get implemented. And this is why WordPress and WooCommerce is completely free, because the code is open source. Everybody can work with put their work into these projects. And so in my opinion, it is much better. Of course, if you are a completely new noob, and then maybe, of course, then Shopify or Wix or Squarespace have their own benefits. But this is why I am here, and I do this video for you, and I will help you with this. So then it's adaptable online selling, make your own shop. You can fully design. You have thousands and thousands of templates out there, free templates, paid templates that you can use, that you can fully customize your shop. There are thousands of people that can help you with making your website or making your online store. It is, the backend is easy to use. So yeah, like I said, it's open source, it's completely free. You can download and install it for free based on open source collaboration. So yeah, that's it for the benefits of WooCommerce and WordPress. So now it's getting a little bit more interesting. So now I want to show you the theme we are using for our new print-on-demand store. So in this demo, in this tutorial, we are using the Rishi theme. I want to show you the Rishi theme. So Rishi theme is really good, really professional theme with which you can create really high quality websites and really high quality online stores or dropshipping stores or print-on-demand stores. So they are offering paid themes, but they are offering also free themes or free demo content. So, and we are using the free version of Rishi, but even the free version of Rishi is giving us so much freedom of customizable, and Rishi theme is really good. Of course, there are many other good free themes out there, like Astra, for example. Astra is also really good, but in this tutorial I want to show you the Rishi theme, what you can do with Rishi theme, and I think Rishi theme is a little bit more better than the Astra theme because it's a little bit more customizable, and this is what I want to show you. So let's take a look at the Rishi theme at the starter templates. So here we are right now on the side of the Rishi theme, and I will put all the links in the video description so you can check them out yourself. And let's click here on starter sites. And here you can see all the starter sites. So of course here is pricing, features, you can read everything. So pricing you can ignore because we are using the free version of Rishi theme. Like I said, they are also offering pro versions or pro demo content. Here you can see this is pro version or a pro demo content. They are making really good stuff. Let me show you here. You can see they are also offering different page builders, but we want to use Elementor. So they are offering Elementor and Gutenberg. So we are using Elementor, and then here are all their paid themes. So if you want to make a hotel website, for example, you can use this. And here is a free demo content theme. This looks really good. And they have a ton of demo content themes. So you can explore them. If you want for yourself, you can choose your desired demo content if you want to, but let me show you all the themes here. You can see this is a good store theme. For example, organic shop. Of course, you can fully customize it. You don't have to sell fruits or vegetables. You can sell auto parts or aircrafts or something like this. This is fully customizable. So we can then later on, we can fully customize the layout. We can fully customize the design of the theme. So this doesn't have to look like this, so we can fully customize it. You can change images, you can change the layout and everything. So this is, you can see how many themes they are offering here. And for our demo, I think I want to use the preschool. So I want to make a print-on-demand shop that offering funny animal clothings. And I think this is really good because, of course, we change later on. We will change the children images for t-shirts. Also, this we will change later on. But let me show you a few more. Here you can see how many themes they are offering. It is it's really great. So if you what have I done? So if you prefer this design, for example, then of course you can install this design if you want to. But in this tutorial, I want to show you how we can customize. Okay, now it's gone. Great, let me refresh the site. So I don't know what I did here. Let me refresh this real quick. And then we are back in action. For this tutorial, I want to use, like I said, the preschool, where now I cannot find it anymore. Now it's gone. Of course. Here's our organic shop. Let me see. Here it is, preschool. Let me open this. When I click on preview, then I can open this, and yeah, like I said, we can fully customize. We can change the colors. We can change the images. Of course, I don't want these children here. I want to have my clothing displayed here, and also I like this layout of the categories here, so we can then customize these category pages. So we change the children images to our own product images, and yeah, but I like how the site looks so far. So this is something that we have to start with, so that we don't have to start with a blank white page, so that we have something to start with. And also with this theme, we are getting also all these pages here. So the About Us page, so they have here an About Us page. We can use this About Us page template. We can customize it to our own needs. Then we have some different some different pages here. Teachers, maybe we can make something cool out of this page. Testimonial page, event page. Maybe we can delete this if we don't want this. We have a blog page, and then yeah, we have a contact page, and also we have a cool button here. So we can use this button here, and then let me click on contact. So here you can see we have a really nice contact us page. So we also have a contact us form included directly, and the button design is really good, and I like the font. So for this, what we want to create here, the font is really nice, and also the footer section is really nice. So here you can see how the footer section looks like. We have the address. We can make this service to our product overview, our product categories, and see here we can leave the quick links. So this is really good. And also I like that the header is sticky, and we have also here the contact information. Yeah, maybe we leave this, or we can delete this, and the opening hours and social media icons. I think this is a really good demo theme here, so we can import and use and customize. And yeah, so then let's go back here, and yeah, so this is what we will use. And to install this, so this is pretty easy. So this is what I want to show you now. So now that we have installed WordPress, I want to show you real quick how WordPress works. I want to show you all the different settings that you have to make when you installed WordPress completely new. And yeah, so I installed WordPress on a subdomain. So, but it's completely the same. This is how every new WordPress installation looks like. So for me, it's now the latest version is 6.6.1, and yeah, I can close this, and let me show you the WordPress dashboard here. So this is your main WordPress dashboard. So maybe it depends on the hosting company, on which hosting company you are, then maybe you have a different or a few other messages here, but these are not so important. So here you can see WordPress news, and here you can see I get the WordPress events from Germany, because yeah, I'm in Germany, and some activities at a glance. So here you can see the posts. I have one demo post and one demo website and one demo comment. So this is completely normal. And then let me show you here on the left side are all the posts. So when you are when you having a blog on your website, for example, and when you write blogs, then you can do this here under posts. And let me go to all posts, and here you can see all the posts we have currently on our website. Here you can see hello world. So this is in every new WordPress installation you will get these hello world demo post, and we can delete this later. And under media here on the left side, there we have later on all our media files, so all our images, all our videos are stored here. You can manage them here later on, and or you can of course add new media files, new images, new videos if you want. And under pages, here are all the current pages we have on our website. This means demo page, and yeah, this is the privacy policy. This is in German. We can delete them later on. So and here under comments, when you're writing blog posts, for example, then you then other people can comment on under your blog post, and here you can manage them, delete them, or move them into the spam folder. And under appearance, when we click on appearance, then we have here all our installed themes. Here you can see these are the standard WordPress themes that comes with every new installation. So here's the 2023 theme. This is currently active, and 2024, 2021, 2022. So these we can delete, or we have to delete later on, because it's best when we only have one active theme. So then we have to delete them later. So deleting a theme is really easy. So you simply click on the theme, and then you have a delete button, and yeah, you confirm that you want to delete them. So, and here we can delete this as well. So delete, and now we only have two. So we can delete the others later on. Then let's go here under plugins, and here you can see all our active plugins, or all our installed plugins right now, because this is a fresh WordPress installation. I have only one plugin, and this plugin is not activated, so we can activate this later on. This is the best. This comes standard with my WordPress installation here. This is the best SMTP plugin, so this we will configure later on. So SMTP means that this plugin will enable your WordPress website or your WooCommerce store later on to send out emails. So for example, when somebody orders a t-shirt from your print-on-demand store, then WordPress will your WordPress WooCommerce store will send out the right emails to your customer. And yeah, this is what we have to activate and set up later. Then we have user. This is not that interesting. Here is only the admin user. Tools, this is also not that interesting. So, and this is really important under settings when we go to general. So here we make all our settings. You can see the site title, print on demand store. So when you here you have to input your website title or your company name. Then here we have the WordPress URL. So for me, I have a subdomain right now, and this is a print on demand demo.datacrypt.io. This means that this is a subdomain. You will not have a subdomain. You only have the main domain name. And then make sure that the language is correctly set. You can change the language here. Berlin, this is why I am in Germany right now. This is set to Berlin, and I can leave this. This is not that important. Then let's go to reading. Under reading, here you can see in my case I have this check mark under search engine visibility. So this is really important that here is no check mark. So when here's a check mark, then yeah, all the search engines, Google, Bing, etc., will not index our website, and then your website will not get found. So make sure that here is no check mark, and then click on Save Changes, and now everything is good. So now Google and Bing is allowed to index our website. This is really important that here is no check mark. Then the next and last important setting we have to make is under permalinks. When we click on permalinks, so here you can see right now for me it is on a plane, and this is not optimal, because when we are creating a new site, for example the contact us site, then we get these weird numbers, question mark p equals 1 2 3, and this is what we don't want to have on our website. We want to have a post name. So here you can see I have to select post name, and you have select make sure that post name is select, because then we will get a clean URL structure. This means when we have, for example, yeah, our contact us page, then here is then contact us, and not these strange numbers here. And yeah, so make sure that it is on that post name is selected, and then we have to go to Save Changes. Yeah, and that's it for the most important settings. And yeah, then now we want to download and install the Rishi theme. Okay, and now we want to install our good old Rishi theme. So all we have to do is we go to the Rishi website, and yeah, like I said, the link to all the websites are in the video description down below, and then simply click on it, and then yeah, you land on the website. So all we have to do is go to the main homepage, and here you can see already the download Rishi for free button. And then when we click here, then we have to register. So we have to input our email address and our first name, last name, and then we will get a code that we need, an activation code. So this is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. This is only, yeah, they want to know, they only want to know your email address and your name. So then let's put it in here. Okay, then we click on download, and then yeah, we will get an email. And let me go to my email program. Okay, and the email is already here, and here is the download link for the Rishi theme. So when we click on the download link, then we will get redirected to the download of the theme, and also we will get all the necessary information. So the invoice and yeah, the amount we have to pay, so $0. And also here you can see the download button. So we simply click on download Rishi 2.0, and then the theme gets downloaded. So perfect. Okay, and now you will have to go to the download folder and yeah, put it in, make a new folder for your new print-on-demand store, and put the theme file into this folder, so that you always know where this folder is, because we have to upload this Rishi theme now to our WordPress website. And I did this. So then we go to Appearance and Themes. And then we have to click on Add New Theme on the top here, on the top left corner. And then we can click on Upload Theme. Here you can see all the themes and the theme library of WordPress. So here are thousands and thousands of themes, but we don't want to choose a theme from the WordPress library. We want to upload the downloaded theme. So all we have to do is click on Choose File. And then, yeah, here is already the Rishi zip file. So Rishi 2.0.7.zip in my case. And then I click on Open, and then I click on Install Now. So of course this takes a while. It depends on your internet speed, and yeah, it depends on the file size of the Rishi theme. And this takes a little while. And then I will be back after the installation or the upload has finished. Okay, and yeah, the upload already finished, and then we can see here 3 different options: live preview, activate, and go to the theme page, and we will click on activate, and now the new theme is activated. So, and now here you can see we have a few different messages. The first one we can ignore for now, and then here you can see the second option, download Rishi Companion. So this is really important. Then we click on download Rishi Companion, and now we will get redirected to this page here, and here we can download this Rishi Companion plugin. We can click on free download, and then again we have to enter our email address and our first name, last name. Then we will get another email, and yeah, so then we have to download this specific plugin from the email. Yeah, it is what it is. So now let me go to my emails. Let me see if there is a new email. Yeah, there is the new email. Then I will click on the email, and here is the download link again, and I will click this. I can close this. So, and here is yeah, the confirmation page, and also the download button for the Rishi Companion plugin. I will click on download, or I will click the button. So, and again, now we have to move the downloaded plugin, the new plugin, to our folder, so that we can later upload this plugin to our WordPress website. And then let's go back to our WordPress website, and then let's go to plugins, under plugins. And here you can see when you hover over plugins, then you can see install plugins, add new plugins, and we want to click on add new plugin. Yeah, because we want to upload this plugin that we downloaded. So I will click on upload plugin, and then I will click on choose file. And here we have to choose the file Rishi Companion, the zip file, and I click on open and install now. So this yeah, is already uploaded, and then I have to click on activate. Okay, now the plugin is uploaded and activated, and here you can see we have to input the license code, and the license code is in the email. So we click on activate here. And here we can see this little key icon license. Here we click and then here we can input the license key that we received with the email. So let me do this real quick. I will copy this, and then I will go here, and then I simply paste it in here. And then I will click on activate license. And yeah, I hope this works, but this should work. This takes a moment. So, and now we get the success message. Your license key is activated. This is perfect. So, and now we have to download the starter site or the demo content for our website. Okay, now to install the starter site. So before I show you that I want, for this project, I want to use this starter template or this demo content preschool. So if you prefer a different starter template, then of course you can choose this. But yeah, I want to choose, or I want to go with the preschool starter template and customize this. So then we have to go to starter sites, and here we can now choose, or we have to first install Rishi's starter template. So we click here, and this will automatically install the plugin for us. And here again, you can see again all the starter templates. Now we have to find the right starter template that we want to go with. Yeah, like I said, if you prefer a different starter template, then feel free to install this. But I am searching for this preschool starter template, and here are so many starter templates. Let me see where, there it is. So here you can see this is you can also click on preview, but we also already clicked on preview. So then I will click on import, and now we can see all the sites that are getting imported when we import this starter template. You can see home, about, teachers, events, testimonials, and contact. And then we click on import complete site. So when we don't want only the homepage, we want to import the complete site, then we click on import complete site, and here make sure that these are checked: import, customize, import widgets, plugins and content, and then I click on import. And yeah, so here you can see that now all the necessary plugins will get installed: contact form, Elementor, and so on and so forth. Now the demo content is installed, and now we get this message: imported successful. This is great. So now we have here a button, view site, but we will close this window. We will X this window out, and then we will go back to our dashboard. Click on dashboard here, and now we want to see how our website looks like. And for this we go to or we hover over this little house icon, and then visit site, and then we right click and open in a new tab. And here's our website. So yeah, this is our new website, what this currently looks like. And yeah, it looks like the the demo content, and we have all the pages here, about us page, event, so, and contact us, and also this cool button here. And yeah, all the content, all the images are successfully installed. And yeah, now we have something to start with. Now we can create a cool website. So of course it depends on what kind of a website or what kind of print on demand shop you want to create. So if you want to want to sell mugs, or if your main topic is a different topic like my topic is, then yeah, you have to write your own content. But it's really important that we make a detailed website, so we explain what kind of products we sell here, and this is also good to build trust with our visitors, with our potential print on demand product buyers. And yeah, we want to explain a little bit of our product, why we offer these products on our website. And yeah, this we want to do later. Then we go back to our dashboard, and then we go to here. You can see now we have a few more items here on the left side. So we have the contact. So this is the contact form, where people can send us messages. Let me show you when we go to contact, for example. And here you can see the contact form, and this is the plugin that is responsible for this. And here you can see Elementor templates, mega elements. So this is these are some additional widgets for Elementor. And then let's click on plugins here, and let's see what kind of plugins we have installed. You can see contact form 7. This is the contact form, the demo importer, so we can deactivate and delete this plugin. So because we don't need this plugin anymore, we already have installed all the demo content that we need for our website, so we can deactivate this and delete this. So then let's do this later. And here you can see Elementor and the Rishi companion, and also this SMTP plugin. If you don't have this, then simply search for WP mail SMTP. This is this plugin. If you don't have this with this little cute pigeon icon, so this is the best SMTP plugin in my opinion. And yeah, so now we have to install a few more plugins. So then we go to add new plugin. And here you can see now we are on the featured section. And here we have to install this classic widget plugin. Then we click on install now. This plugin will enable the classic widgets for us. I think this is much better. And then we have to install Performance Lab. So we click on install now. This will make our website much faster. This is a whole package of different performance plugins. These performance plugins, or this performance lab plugin, is directly from WordPress. Here you can see by WordPress performance labs or performance team. So this is directly from WordPress, and this is really good. Then we go to popular. And under popular, we have to install Yoast SEO. So we click on install now. And don't activate the plugins yet. So you can see now we have an activate plugin, but we want to activate this plugin later. Then we have to go a little bit further down. Here you can see this is our SMTP plugin. We already installed this. Now we have this activate button because this plugin is not activated. This is only installed. And this plugin, I don't want to install this plugin now. Here, Sidekit by Google. This is a really great plugin to connect your website or your e-commerce store, your print-on-demand store later with Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So if you want to do this, then you can click on install and activate this later. So make sure that you activate this when your website is completely finished. I don't want to do this because this is a test store, and I don't want to publish this on Google. And so you can do this. If you want to have more information about this plugin, you can go to my channel. I have a dedicated video about this specific plugin, how this works, how you can install this and connect this with Google. If you are interested in connecting your store later on with Google, then make sure to install this and watch my video. Then Updraft Plus is also really good if you want to make backups. So go to my channel. There you find a dedicated video how to make updates, automatic updates and backups, or backups, not updates, backups. Let's go a little bit further. So now we have to install, we have to install essential add-ons for Elementor. We click on install now. This is a really good add-on package for Elementor that gives us many features that we need later on. So then let's move even further. Let's go to the second page. And I think here is only one plugin we need. Let me see. I'm searching for compliance. So this is really important. So it's the cookie banner, and this is the compliance. This makes our website legally secure. So if you are in Europe like I am, or if you are in the United States, or if you are in Spain, or wherever you are in the world, this plugin supports all different countries. This plugin will generate all the necessary legal pages for you. Then I click on install now again, and I think that's all the plugins we need. We need later, or we need in the next step, we need to install WooCommerce, but for now let's install or activate these plugins first. So we go to installed plugins, and here we can see all the plugins we have installed. You can see all the plugins we just installed. The white plugins with the white background, they are installed but not activated, and the plugins with the blue background, they are installed and activated. So then the first plugin we have to activate is Classic Widgets. So we do this, and now it's compliance. But wait a second, so compliance, this is the cookie banner and the legal page plugin. This we will do when our website is completely finished. Then we will click on activate, and then the plugin will scan our website and then create all necessary legal pages. But this is the last step. So then we go to essential add-ons, then we click on activate. Now we will get redirected to a setup page. Here you can see basic, so we click on next, and we go to view all. And here we can activate, for example, our contact form 7 page. So we activate this, and also here you can see WooCommerce elements. So we will activate everything here. Then we click on next, and here we click on next, and here we will, it's important that you click on skip, because yeah, otherwise you will get ton of different templates that we don't need. So I click on skip and then next again, and then no thanks, I don't want to get emails from you. Congratulations, perfect, everything is installed. Then we go back to plugins. Performance labs we will also activate later on when our website is finished. And the next thing is we have to do is activate Yoast SEO. So this is an SEO plugin, and also enables to make custom URL structures and something like this. So this is yeah, really nice to have, and this is, in my opinion, the best SEO plugin. So we can activate this right now or right away. And also you can see here on the right side we have enable auto updates. So make sure that you click on every that you enable the auto updates for every plugin. So this is really important. When there is a new update for a plugin, then your WordPress website or your e-commerce store, your print-on-demand store, will automatically download the update files and install the update files, so that you don't run into any issues with outdated plugins or security vulnerabilities and something like this. Yeah, and Yoast SEO takes a while to activate, because Yoast SEO is a little bit bigger in size, but now it's finished. Then we click on Start First Time Configuration. So, and we can close this. So this is the free version. We only need the free version. Then we click on Start. SEO data optimization. Yeah, this takes a moment. Okay, this is finished. Then we click on Continue. Here you can see the name of your store. You can rename the store. A logo, we don't have a logo right now. We do this later, so we can add this later. Then we click on Save and Continue. Yeah, Save and Continue. Social media, I don't have any social media. If you have social media, you can input this here. But I click on Save and Continue because I don't have any social media for this. And here don't have to input your email address, simply click on Save and Continue. Okay, and that's it. And then we click on or go to the SEO dashboard. Yeah, great. Here you can see 0 problems, 0 notifications. This is always good. Yeah, and then we click on dashboard again. Now we are on our dashboard. Yeah, and so the next step is that we will create a logo for our website, and that we will create a fav icon. So fav icons are these icons you can see on the browser tabs here. So right now we only have this little ball here, and we want to create our own good looking fav icon. We will do this, and yeah, so then also the next step is that we will install WooCommerce, so that we make our website, our new created website, e-commerce ready. And yeah, this is what we will do next. Now I want to create a logo for our store. So I want to create a simple logo, and for this I use canva.com, and I am right now on canva.com, and then I click on create the design, so and custom size, and then I will enter custom size 800 pixel by 400 pixel, for example, or let's make 350 pixel, and then I click on create new design. Of course, if you have another program, if you have Photoshop or any other program on your computer or online, or even if you order a logo, you can do this. But I want to show you how you can do this in Canva. So then I will click here, give this logo a name, cute pets store logo, for example. Then I like Canva because yeah, you can you have so many elements, and it's really easy to create logos with Canva. Then I click on elements and search for cute dog, for example. So yeah, this is a cute dog. So, and yeah, like I said, I want to create a really quick logo. Let's make the dog a little bit bigger. Click on text, and I will use this text. Ungroup, delete this. Make this a little bit smaller. Cute pet store, for example. Or let's make this. Then let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's change the color here to this color, and let's make this, I don't know, this color or this color. Yeah, this color is good. Perfect. Okay, and now we have a logo for our new store. And then I will go to share, download, and it is important that you will or that you activate transparent background, or that you create your logo with a transparent background. Then I will click on download, and now the logo gets downloaded. And now we also need a fav icon. So then I will close this, and I will make a new custom size, and let's give it 500 by 500. Create new design. The name, cute pet store fav. Elements, and for the fav icon I will choose this dog again, make it bigger in the middle, then share, download, transparent background, download. Oh, this in the background again, download, transparent background, download. Okay, now we have our new logo and our fav icon. So yeah, you can create, of course, for your own store, you can create your own logo in Photoshop, or if you are using Canva like me, and yeah, then you can play around, or you can even order a logo from Fiverr or something like this. But it's important that we have a logo and a fav icon. So now I want to install WooCommerce to enable the e-commerce function on our new website, on our new store. And to do this is relatively easy. We go to plugins, add new plugins, and then we are searching here in the search bar, search plugins for WooCommerce. So, and now I hope that we will see the WooCommerce plugin here. There it is, WooCommerce, and install now. And here you can see also the different WooCommerce extensions, PayPal, Stripe, shipping and tax. But for now we need WooCommerce, the main e-commerce function. And it's installed, and now we can click on activate. Okay, and now we are in this WooCommerce setup wizard. So and here we can click on set up my store. Here you can see I'm already selling, or for me and for you I think as well, I'm just starting my business. Continue. Here you can enter the name of your store again, what type of product, clothing. Where is your store located? So yeah, for me it is Germany, and my email address, Then I click on continue. So and now we can install some plugins. We don't want this right now, so we can remove the thingies here. So yeah, we don't want to have TikTok or something like this. We remove everything and then click on continue. Yeah, and now WooCommerce is installed, and here you can see the next step. We don't have to do this right now, and we don't want to do this right now. Customize your store, we will do this later. Add your products, we will do this later. Get paid, here you can add different payment methods like PayPal or Stripe or whatever you want to use in your store to collect the money. You can set up taxes and so on and so forth, but we don't want to do this right now. So, and here you can see WooCommerce on the left side and then product. Let's click on products right now. If we have any products already. Demo products, no, we don't have any demo products. Okay, then let's go back to the dashboard. Yeah, and the next thing is we want to customize our store. First, I think we want to customize the header here, the header section, so that we that we change the logo, and then that we add the created fav icon, and then we will move on to the main content of our website. Then let's customize our header section, and I will show you how this works. So you can see when you are on the front end of your website, on the main page or on any page, you can see the black bar on top here, and then you can see here customize. And when we click right click on customize and open link in a new tab, then the WordPress customizer will open, and here we can make some settings. So here you can see all the settings we can make, the global settings. So let me show you this global settings. So this these are the global settings that has effect on all pages, so like colors, typography, so on and so forth. Here you can see you can set up the colors, base font color, heading color, link colors. You can customize the link colors, for example this or any other link color, border colors. Yeah, then we go back, typography, container, scroll to top. This is the scroll to top thingy here. You can fully customize this, change the size, change the design, the color, go back, button color. Yeah, nothing too fancy here. So then let's go back. Header builder, here we can, then here we customize the header, and this is really cool. Here you can see everything. Here you can see we can customize the contact section, email, phone number, and the hours, social media. We can delete this or we can customize this, the logo, menu, button. Let me go back, let me show you the other things. The footer, here it is almost the same. Here we can change the footer, the copyright, footer menu, the widget, so this logo here and the text underneath and this, but we will do this later. Let's go back, a blog here. If you want to write a blog, here you can make all necessary settings for your blog. Then pages, here you can make all the settings for your pages. WooCommerce, under WooCommerce, here we can set up how WooCommerce should look like. So the shop page, how the shop page should look like, number of columns, number of rows, shop sort, shop result counts. Yeah. You can customize this here, you can play around with this, and as long as you don't press on or click on publish, then nothing is changed. If you make a mistake, for example here, then you can simply close this tab and don't save it, and then nothing has changed. General settings of WooCommerce. stretch layout, the general settings, the single product. This is interesting later on. We can change this or adjust this to our likings. Upsell product customization, so we can set up the upsell product, then related products. We can change the name for this, and you can see this is really in depth, but it's good. We want to have this checkout page. You can customize the checkout page, select the privacy policy page. So this is right now my privacy policy. So this is the German word for privacy policy page, Datenschutzerklärung. This is in German. Terms and conditions. So you have to add a terms of condition page later, and then you can select the page. Let's go back. What else? Site identity. So here's the site identity. When we click here, this is where we can upload our created fav icon. So let's do this real quick. So we click on select site icon. Then you can see we can select a file from our computer or an already existing file from the media library. And this is where all our images and videos get stored, but we want to upload a new file from our computer. So we click on select files, and fav icon, there it is. Then I click on open. Yeah, and this takes a while. So there is our cute dog, and here you can see are the SEO settings for all images. And this is this is a little bit important. So if you want to optimize your store, your website for SEO to get found on Google search, you can put in the alternative description of your images. So this is what you have to do with every new image that you upload to your store, because Google and Bing and all the other search engines are robots. They only can read text or they can read code, and they cannot see the image, what's on the image. They don't know that there is a cute dog in this image. Google doesn't know this. And here you can describe what's on this image, and this is what you have to do with every single image that you upload to your store. I know this is very time intense, but if you want to rank on Google, then you have to do this. So for this example, cute dog fav icon, then I click here, and then this will get saved. You can see the message saved, and then we can click on select, crop image. So, and now we should have a really cool dog fav icon. Then we click on publish, and now these changes are published in a moment. Let's go back. What else? So this is not very interesting right now. Let's click, then we can click on the X here to go back to the front end of our website, and now we should see our cute little dog, and here it is. There's our fav icon, the cute little dog. And we want to change the logo and the header section. This is what we want to do as well. So then again, let's go back to Customizer. Let's hover over it, right click, open in a new tab. And then we want to customize our logo. So for this, we go to header builder, and then here you can see contact. Let's click on contact. Here you see email, phone, work hours. Let's click on email. So contact your website. Here you can change this to your real email address. I don't do this. I leave this for now because this is for me it is a test store, and I leave this. If you have a real store, then of course you want to put in your real email address and also a phone number. If you want to show your phone number, you can do this, but also you can click on hide, then it's gone. And also you can move them around if you want to have work hours before the email address, then you can simply drag this to the top, and I will hide the work hours as well. Okay, perfect. Then only our email address is visible, and I will go back and or I will click on social media again. Let's click on social media. So yeah, if you have any social media, then yeah, you can click on the pencil icon and then you can add your social media. I will hide this, this and this. So let's say I only have a Facebook account for yeah, my online store here. Then I can only show my Facebook account. Now we can click on logo, and here you can see here's the standard logo. When we click on the plus icon, then we can upload a new logo. Click on upload files, select files. Then I will choose the logo, open. Remember to add an alt text. Select. And here's our new logo. Here you can make the logo bigger, you can make it smaller if you want. You can adjust the size, so I make it a little bit smaller. Here you can see the menu. You have different menu types. For now, the menu type 1 is selected. If you prefer the type 2, then you can select this, or you can choose your preferred menu type. What happened here? I think the logo is too big. Then let's go back to menu layout 1, because this works. Yeah. Let's change the button. Let's click on button. Where is the button text? Let's make it to shop now. And here you can input the shop address. Let me select this, copy, paste it in here, and then shop. This is the standard shop directory. Of course, you have to input your own URL. Let's make sponsored away, no follow. Oh, and then let's make open in a new tab. So great. And here you can see button visibility. If you want to hide this button, for example, on a tablet or on a mobile phone, then you can simply click here and then it is not visible on mobile. But I want to show this button on mobile as well. And yeah, this shop also is completely mobile friendly. Yeah, I think that's it for now. So click on publish, or we can go back, and we can change the logo in the footer section. So the footer section here, widget 1, I think. Yeah, widget 1. Or we have to click, okay, we have to click on this pencil icon here. And okay, this is here we have okay, let's okay, this is made with a code. So then we could enter the code, the address of our image, but we can also add a new widget. So we click on add widget, and then we can select an image widget. So where is an image video? Oh, gallery image, there's the image. Then we can add an image from our media library because the logo is already uploaded. Here you can see add to widget. Perfect. And then we can click on, I think this maybe it's a little bit too big. Let's wait. Yeah, it's a little bit too big. Then we can click on edit image. Medium size 300. let's click on custom size, and then let's make 200. Okay, and update. Now it should be a little bit smaller in size. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, now it's a little bit smaller. Then we click on done. Then we grab it and put it on top. And now we can delete this block here with the code inside. So let's wait for the refresh. Okay, and then we click on remove, and now this old logo is gone, the stock logo. And here under block, when we open this, then we have the code. I think we should leave the code. The only thing is you have to replace this standard text with your own text. So make a short 2-sentence description of your shop, what your print-on-demand shop is all about. This is really good for Google. So then Google can see what in 2 sentences what your shop is about. If you're selling mugs, for example, or if you have different styles of clothing, write a few sentences about it and put it in here. Simply replace this from we to grow, replace this and leave the code section in here. So don't touch the code section, because here you can see the font size. You can change the font size if you want. So simply replace only this section here. I leave this for now. And then we click on done, and the same. Let's go back here. Let's go back. Let's click on socials. Let's make this bigger. Socials, you can change the name. Social, for example, social media. Put this in here, and I think okay, this was wrong. Socials, and here social media, for example, and done. I think these social media icons, where can we change this? Okay, let's do this later. This is hidden somewhere. I don't exactly know where this is hidden, but we found we will find this later. So, and but I think it's clear. If you want to change anything here, your address, or if you want to put in here contact, then you can simply click on the pencil icon. Then change this to contact, for example, or address, leave it on address, put in your address, or simply click on here and write the contact form, or change the address to your address. Only change this, don't touch the code. So then, but you also can, for example, click on done. You can also add different widgets here. So here you can also add images if you want to add an image here, or here are even more text, or anything you can, calendar, and so here we can add an image. So if you want to add our cute little dog again, then I think our dog should appear here, but you get the idea. So then let's delete the dog again and click on publish. So then we save everything, and then let's click on X, and then we are leaving the customizer. So, and the next thing we want to do is let's customize the pages. So I want to show you now in the next step how we can customize the pages with the help of Elementor. I will explain you how Elementor works. So Elementor is not that complicated. Of course, you have to play around a little bit with it, but it's not too complicated. So it's drag and drop. But I want to show you. I will show you how this works, how we can customize our pages with the help of Elementor. And this is the next step, and let's go. So, and then let's customize our website or all our pages with the Elementor page builder, and let me show you how this works. So this is, yeah, I have to show you once, but when you are using it a few times, and then I think you will understand it, how this works. So it's not that complicated, but let me show you, and then you will see how the Elementor page builder works. So you can see on top here, we have the black bar on each different page. If we click here on the About Us page, for example, then I don't know why it takes so long to load. So then we also have the black bar on top, and here you can see Elementor, edit with Elementor, and the same goes for the home page. On every page we have this Elementor bar. What we also can do is when we go to our backend, to the WordPress backend, then we go to pages, and of course here are also all our pages listed. Here you can see the About Us page. Yeah, this page I can delete. I can click on trash, and then the page is gone. And here you can see all the pages: About Us page, the blog page, cart page, checkout page, this cart checkout, and my account. This is all generated by WooCommerce. And also I can delete this. This is also a German page. I don't know why there are so many German pages here inside. And yeah, here are all our pages, and you can see for example, after the About Us page is the Elementor. So this means that this page is generated or built with the Elementor page builder. And for example, the blog page, here you can see this has not the Elementor tag behind it. So this means that this page is built with Gutenberg, with the Gutenberg builder. Yeah, the theme has automatically generated all these pages for us, and these pages are generated by WooCommerce. But for example, the About Us page is generated by the theme, and the blog page as well. So the blog page, I think, is the only page from the theme that is built with Gutenberg. And here's also the shop page. You can see this is also not an Elementor page, but every page, teacher, testimonial, is Elementor behind it. And then you can, or to edit this page, you can go to the page directly, and then here, click here, edit with Elementor, or you can go to the backend of WordPress, and then you can go to pages, and then you can hover over it, and then you can see edit with Elementor. There are two different ways: make it from the back end or from the front end. So I will do this from the front end. So when I am now at the home page, then I simply hover over this, right click, open in a new tab, and then our Elementor page builder will load and will open. So this can take a little bit, because Elementor, yeah, this is the program that has all the functions, and this needs a little bit of time to load on your computer or on the browser. So then we can close this, we can close this, and we can close this. And yeah, so now we are on the Elementor page builder. Here you can see this is how it looks. So when we hover over the website, then you can see some objects will get highlighted. Here you can see when we hover over these images, for example, of these children, then they will get highlighted. And also the same goes for the heading here, and the text, and also the button here. And Elementor, these are all built in these with these boxes. Here you can see when my mouse is inside this box, then you can see that the box is highlighted, and you can see the outline of the box. And Elementor using these boxes, and then inside these boxes are these different elements or widgets placed. So, and here the same, this is another box. You can see when I'm with my mouse inside this box, then you can see the outline of the box, and you can also see this purple thingy here. You can see the plus icon, the 6 little dots, and the X. So the plus icon, when I click on the plus icon, then I could add a new box or a new container. So container, I think, is the right word for this. Yeah, I could add plus a new container, a flex box. I can close this, and here on the 6 little dots, here, this is where I make all the adjustments for the box, where I say Elementor, the page builder, how the box should behave, the background of the specific box, and so on and so forth. You can see when I have clicked on the 6 little dots and then open the container settings. Here you can see we have layout card, style, and advanced. So in layout, yeah, we can adjust the layout. You can see the width, the height of the box, the direction. And under style, and a little bit more under style, we can, for example, the background color, you can see we have this background color, or we could also add a background image, border. And under advanced, here we have some advanced settings, padding, margin, and also CSS class. And I think under advanced, you don't need to go, because this is a little bit, yeah, advanced settings. But yeah, so let me show you then. And if we click on this plus icon here, then we go back to this home screen where we have all these widgets. Here you can see layout. We have layout widgets. We have basic widgets like headings, images, text boxes, video widgets, buttons, divider, spacer, Google Maps, icon, everything you can imagine. And here is Elementor Pro. So we don't have Elementor Pro, and we don't need to have Elementor Pro, because yeah, we have all the widgets that we need. So we can minimize this. And then you can see here are the next image boxes, icon boxes, image carousel, gallery, icon list, and yeah, the list goes on and on. We have a ton of widgets we can use, but we don't need all these widgets. So, and here you can see also we have some premium widgets for WooCommerce, but we don't need them. These are these essential add-ons that we are installed with this plugin that we installed before. And yeah, we have all kind of widgets. And the thing is here, this button, the text, and the heading, these are all these widgets. So for example, if I want to, let's say, if I want to have an image underneath here, then I simply go here, grab the image, hold the mouse, and yeah, put it there where I want to have it. So for example here, and yeah, of course now this is a little bit messed up, but yeah, you can simply drag and drop all the elements where you want to have them. And also when I want, let's say I want to edit this headline here, then I simply click on the pencil icon here, and then you can see this is built with dual heading is the widget name, and here you can see the selected tag is an H2, heading 2, and here is the heading text, and also here is the yeah, this is a special function of these widget. So the steps, the word steps is red, and the same goes here for this text. When we click here, or yeah, inside the text box or on the pencil icon, then we have a text box here. Here we can expand the menus. So here then you have more options, text color, the alignment of the text. And yeah, same goes for this button, for example. If we want to change the button or the URL of the button, then simply click on the button itself, or we click on the pencil icon, and then we can make all the adjustments to the button. Here we can enter, or we can change the button text, and also we can change the link. So at the moment, right out of the box, there is no link, so there's only this placeholder. And yeah, so, and you can see on every text, or on every element I click, I have these three options, these three cards: content, style, and advanced. The same is for this heading, content, style, advanced, and the same goes for the button. We have content, here's the content, style, so, and yeah, style and advanced, and under content we can edit the content, and under style we can change the styling of the button. You can see the typography, we could change the typography of the button. So when I click here, then yeah, got it, and then I can change, play around with the size. Let me do this to show you. Here you can see when I adjust the size, I can make it bigger or smaller, and you can do a lot of things. Shadows, you can box shadow, for example. Yeah, you can literally do anything here. You can fully adjust it, fully customize it. So yeah. Text shadow, here you can add a text shadow if you want, make it bigger, make it smaller. And under advanced, yeah, these are the advanced settings, so I think you don't have to touch these. If you want to build the print-on-demand store, you can set the margin, the padding, the alignment, the order of the items, and sizing, positioning, z-index, CSS class. I think advanced you don't have to touch. Then let's go back. Let's click on the plus to go back here. And yeah, so for the image, this is the same. So let me see here. Yeah, when we click on this little dude here, this is an image widget. Yeah, of course, this is an image. Then we can see if I click here, or if I click on this girl, then we also have the image here, and here now I can change this. You see when I hover with my mouse over this preview image, then I can choose another image, a new image. Here I can set the sizing of the image if I want to make it bigger, smaller, custom size, and so on. Caption, link, for example, I could make this a link. Then yeah, you can click on this little girl and then directs you somewhere, but I don't want this. Then I click on no, so no link. Yeah, and yeah, the same goes here for these three cards: content, style, and advanced. So under style, I have different styling options here as well. I can change the alignment. I can make the image bigger, smaller, adjust the size, CSS effects, CSS filters. I could make borders. It's yeah, you can do literally anything here. So yeah, I think let me go further down here. So this is a heading as well. When I click here, then this is another type of heading. This is a normal heading. So when I click here, I can change the text. Here's the same, I can change the text. And these types here, these boxes, let me click inside. Let's say we want to change the image of this girl here. It is the same, it is an image widget. Simply click on it and then choose image, and then we could change the image of the girl. Yeah, the same here. Click here, change the text, etc. So then, yeah, what's next for our Elementor tutorial here, small tutorial? Yeah, I think it's everything the same, almost the same, everything works the same. Elementor is built with these widgets, or with these boxes, flex boxes, and the widgets. I could simply, for example, when I want to have a video here, then simply grab the video widget, put it there where I want to have it, and yeah, then here is my video. Here I can insert the YouTube link, for example. Here you can see I can insert the YouTube URL, or Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress, or self-hosted. And if I want to delete this, I simply right click, and then okay, I have to right click on the pencil icon, right click and then delete. Then it's gone. And yeah, so let me show you. Here you can see we have these little waveform inside. I want to show you where this little waveform comes from. So this waveform has to do with the complete box. You can see when my mouse is over the box, then I have the outline of the box, the big box where everything is inside. Then I click on the 6 little dots, and let me go to style. Is it style? Yeah, style. Style, and then here you can see the color, the background color is this color, and I think it is here, or is shape divider. Yeah, it's under shape divider, and you can see top is selected and the type is wave. I could also change this to wave brush. Then you can see it is a little bit of brush effect. Looks good. And split. Okay. Yeah, but zigzag. Yeah, you get the idea. So let's make it on wave brush. And also, when you want to change, you can see the bottom of the box. Then you have to activate the bottom, and now you can see the bottom is the same. Here you can also adjust it if you want to make the waves bigger or smaller, then you can adjust it, play around with it. So until you found the perfect result that you want to have. And yeah, so I think that's it for my small little Elementor tutorial here. I think yeah, when we customize the site or the shop or the pages, then I think you will see how this works. When I customize the page, then you can see exactly how this works, and then you have to understand it. And of course, you have to play around with it. You have to test a few things here and there. And as long as you not press on this publish icon here on top, then nothing is saved, nothing is published. And then you can play around, you can delete stuff. For example, if you delete this, for example, and you don't press on publish, then everything is good. Then yeah, nothing is published, nothing is saved. And for example, so, and now let's say we made a stupid mistake here and we deleted, for example, this heading. Let me delete this, and now I don't know how to get it back. Then you have the option to simply go to this Elementor button here, click on it, and then you can see history. And when you click on history, then you can see every step you made. So all the steps you made in this Elementor page builder is recorded, and then you can jump back and forth. So if you made a mistake, you deleted something by accident or something like this, then you can simply go to the history and then go a step or even more steps back. So then nothing bad happens. And yeah, this is how you can go back. So let me when you click on, let me for example put this in here, then we click on publish. For example, now it is published, now everything is visible. So let's this takes a little while to save, but now it's saved, and now we can close the editor Elementor. And now let's refresh the site, and now you can see the new text is in here. Okay, great. Then yeah, and the same goes for example, let's say or the About Us page. Let's go to the About Us page, and the same is here. So then we go to edit with Elementor, open Elementor on a new tab. and then yeah, the same is here. Then we can edit this page, and yeah, so on and so on. So yeah, you get the idea. So then let's close this, and then yeah, I would think we start editing our page, the home page. I think we start editing the home page, and yeah, I will show you everything what I do here to customize the home page. Okay, then let's get started with customizing our website. So now I want to add the text to the website and all, yeah, to all pages, and also, yeah, change the images and customize, yeah, all pages so that the pages are related to our new print-on-demand store here that we are building right now. And yeah, of course, we have to do this first, and after this, then we will start creating our first products and yeah, connecting our store to Printful. But yeah, now we have to do the hard work. So, and I want to use for this, I want to use ChatGPT, so that ChatGPT can help us create the headings and also the text. So of course, if you build a store, maybe it's better to write the text yourself and to come up with the right headings and something like this. But yeah, I use ChatGPT, and you can also use ChatGPT to come up with good headlines and also, but yeah, I want to show you. So I think maybe in this section I don't want to talk that much, so that you can follow me, can see exactly what I am doing here. And yeah, so then let me show you real quick ChatGPT. I wrote a prompt here. I want to build a print-on-demand store where I offer clothing with cute animal prints. Please print out the content for the homepage. Yeah, only for the homepage for now. Please provide me with different headings for the different section of the homepage. So then let's send this prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with here. Of course, I think we have to give them another prompt that ChatGPT should write a little bit more. Yeah, so this is only the overview. So then please write more text for the homepage. I don't know. Let's print a little bit better. So okay, then yeah, right click, open a new tab. And I already downloaded a few images for this store. So yeah, this demo store should be all around cute animal t-shirts or cute animal clothing. And I hope you don't mind when I drink my coffee, because I think this video or this section will be a little bit longer. Yeah, hope you don't mind. From time to time, it takes a little bit longer for Elementor to load. I don't know why, but from time to time, it is what it is. So then let's, for example, change the image here, and let me select the right folder. Here we are already in the right folder, and I created a few t-shirt mock-ups in Canva. So let's upload this real quick. Let's see what this is. Okay, there it is. So then I click on select. It's good. Choose another file. Mockup 2 maybe. Let's see here. Yeah, looks good. And of course, I don't want to fully SEO optimize this store right now. We will do this later, or in a later video we will optimize the store for SEO, because yeah, first you have to build the store, and then later on we have to optimize, or yeah, you should optimize the store. I don't know what this waveform is here all about. I know. Ah. Why we have these wave thingies here? That's very strange. I think we have to... Yeah, we have to do this later. I don't know where this comes from, but yeah, whatever. Then let's move on. We will fix this later. So you can see this, everything gets pushed down so far. Yeah, we will fix this later. I don't know what this is right now. So let's go to the next. Let's use this text here. We can make this a little bit wider. Oh, and I see the logo of the sticky header is we have to change the sticky header logo as well. Here you can see the normal header logo is okay, but when the sticky header comes up, then yeah, we have the old logo. So we have to fix this, or to change the logo. With why can do it this way? So yeah, we can simply looks much better. We have to change the header here. Let's put in this header, and of course, if you build your store, then yeah, you have to think a little bit more about the text and create good content. This is I want to make the content or the text real fast, because on the video I don't have the time to think about the text in detail, and also this is a demo store, and this is why I make it that fast, and you know what it is. So then let me see how many categories. Okay, 4 categories. 4 categories is not that good. We need 6. Let me see. Duplicate, or we can make 4. Yeah, this works as well. Then delete this, this, and delete. Now we can Panda Perfection is our first category here. So let's put it here. Let's make it an H4. Next category is kittens and cuddles. Put it here, make it an H4 as well. Go to the next. Jungle Jive. Put it in H4. So that we do a little bit of SEO. But of course, first you have to build the website, and after the website is ready, or it's finished, then yeah, then you will do the SEO part and yeah, make everything right, or optimize everything for SEO. So first, of course, you have to build something. That's a little bit big. You have to build something first, and then yeah, you will do the SEO part later. Only this part. Put it in here. Yeah, but I think you get the idea how you can create the web or make the websites with Elementor, that you have to come up with the right text, with the right ideas for the text, and also with the right ideas for your categories as well. And then yeah, you can do everything here in Elementor. You have to come up with the right ideas, and then everything is good. So let's change the image. Maybe we have a cool image in our media library. So let's select this image, for example. And yeah, if you build your store, then of course you have to download the right images. I don't know what kind of print-on-demand store you do. If you make a print-on-demand store about, I don't know, cool automotive t-shirts or clothing, then of course you first have to download all the right images. And yeah, so of course it takes time for sure. View all categories. Then we have to link this tier. What can we do here? So let's make here why choose us. Copy this. Put in here why choose us, and then we will copy all of this, paste it in here. I'll go back. Yeah, then if this store would be a real store, then of course I would make a really nice image and so on, but you get the idea, I think. And this is also really good if you have some testimonials. You can, of course, you can say ChatGPT that ChatGPT should come up with some testimonials, but I think I saw some testimonial. Yeah, here, happy customers. Yeah, Emily R. So let's, for example, copy this, and I want to show you. So here you can see when I click here on the testimonial thingy, then I have the image. Then you can upload a new image of a person, and then here you can see where's her name there. Emily R. Let's make it happy customer, for example, and here is the text. Then copy this text. So copy this text, and then we paste it in here. And this is, yeah, you should do this with every testimonial. And yeah, here, find out what our happy customers have to say about our product, for example. And yeah, if you don't, and I don't know if I showed you already, if, for example, if you don't want to have this text here, then simply go hover over the text to the pencil icon, right click, and then you can see delete. You have a few options. Delete, you can duplicate the text. If you click on duplicate, yeah, then you duplicate it, and then you can delete everything. And yeah, this is how it works. And here you can build another section. yeah, and if you want to delete, for example, so we don't have any staff, any employees, of course. Maybe you can reuse this, write something else here. And but if you don't want to have this complete section, so I don't want to have, in my case, I don't want to have this complete section here, then simply hover over this box and then yeah, click on X and then it's gone. Yeah. Here is a cool gallery. I think the gallery is really good. So make a few mock-ups of your t-shirt and then of your shirt or of your clothing, whatever you want to sell with print on demand, and then you can put it in the gallery. And I think this is really cool when somebody visits your store and then they can see what you have to offer. And this is a good idea. So select this, add to gallery, and then you can see. Yeah, and here you can also delete this, for example, and delete this, but let's click on insert, and now the gallery is yeah, refreshed. Here you can see our shirts and all the cool kits here, and rename this to gallery. And here this looks a little bit strange, so let's make this, let's delete the wave. Style, shape divider, wave, no. And then also here, let's delete the wave, bottom shape divider, bottom wave, none. Yeah, this is much better. Events, I don't think you want to have any events. Then yeah, you can delete this, of course, or reuse it for your blog or something like this. You can display your blog. When we want to delete all of this, then simply go here and delete, or you can of course delete the whole section or only the inner widgets here. So, and then you can make this something our blog section or something like this. And then we can go here, search widgets, post carousel here. Then this is where, or let's make post. No, what's it called? Blog widget blog. Let's see what this is. Yeah, this is here. Yeah, this is a really good widget to display all your blog posts. Here you can see these are the standard blog posts that come with the theme, and here is yeah, the blog post from the installation of my WordPress, or of my WordPress installation. You can see it's written in German. Yeah, and then of course you can go here and under posts, there you find all the blog posts. Of course you want to delete these stock blog posts and yeah, write your own blog posts. Here you can see all the blog posts, and of course you have to delete them and write your own blog posts if you want to integrate a blog. So a blog of course is really good for SEO purposes, and yeah, then you can customize this. And yeah, when you're ready, then you can click on publish. And like I said, if you made a mistake, go to this Elementor E here, this logo history, and there you can go back and forth. And then let's publish this. So let's say this page is ready. We designed everything. Let's say this page is good. Then we click on publish. Yeah, and then we have to do, let's close this. Then we have to do, we have to design all the other pages. So let's refresh this real quick. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. But you can see the design is really good. I really like the colors. We have to fix this. I don't know what this is, where this come from, or maybe this comes from this block section here, because that maybe we have here this waveform, and this goes into this. I think this is what it is here. And yeah, let's quickly fix this. So the sticky banner is the sticky header logo. So let's go to customizer, open a new tab. And let me show you where you can find this. So I think this is under header builder, transparent sticky header. There it is. Yeah, here you can see under sticky header, there is the old logo. So we click here and then we select our new logo. There it is. Select, perfect. Now this was our logo, right? Yeah, this was our logo. Main row, perfect. Enable sticky header. Yes, we want to enable this. Publish it. This is cool. Also, if you want to add something into the menu, then you can simply click on the plus thingy here, and then you can add HTML code, images, a menu, another menu, a card. Yeah, and also a card. Maybe a card would be great. So let's add, here's the button. So let's add the card here. So this is really good. Yeah, definitely do this, add the card, because when they want to buy something from you and then they jump from page to page, and then they always have the card thingy here. So yeah, this is really good. So then click on publish. This is on euros because the store knows that I'm in Europe. And we can change this, of course, to US dollars, or I don't know where you're located in the world. And of course, let me know in the comments down below, please, where you come from. I'm really interested in this. And yeah, so then we can close this. Let me refresh this. I don't know why it takes so long. There you can see, there it is. And let me show you when we go to our backend here, and then we can go to WooCommerce setting, but that I want to show you later. So if you want to change the WooCommerce settings, but this is for later, then yeah, WooCommerce settings. So okay, and yeah, let me fix this here. So, okay, let's see what this is. Yeah, let's go Elementor again. Okay, what is this? Let's see. Maybe this comes from here. Like I said, shape divider. No, this is. What is this? Border radius? No, this is the button. That's wrong. This is very strange. No. Bottom. Style, shape divider, bottom, none. This is this box. You can see the outline. Shape divider, bottom, wave. There it is, I think. Yeah, okay. Now, gotcha. So, okay, this, yeah, now we fixed it. What's here? The thingy here, this box. And then, yeah, shape divider, bottom. So, and then we can shop now or see our collection or something like this. Maybe this is better. See our collection, and then you have to link to the main collection or to the collection you want. So www.yourwebsite.com and then /shop. Okay, perfect. Let's click on publish or save. And yeah, so of course this takes a long time. So if you want to build a really cool website, or yeah, if I build websites for customers or something like this, then it takes days or weeks to perfect the design. And I think you don't want me, or you don't want to watch this video for weeks. Yeah. So then let me show you how you can adjust the menu. I think this is also really interesting. So because yeah, now we have home, about, teachers. We don't want to have this, we don't want to have this. And then let's insert here the shop category, that we have this in our menu. For this we go to our WordPress backend here, and then appearance, and then menus. So, and here you can see select a menu to edit, footer menu. So we want to edit, I think, menu 1, and then select. Yeah, and here it is. Here you can see teacher testimonial. And to delete this, we expand this and then remove. Teachers, expand, remove, events, remove, block. Yeah, we want to have the block. And here you can see pages. View all, or most recent, view all. We want to have the shop in here, add to menu, and we want to have the shop here. You can drag and drop this around, and then we click on save menu. And the same goes for the footer menu. So if you want to change the footer menu, so of course, why we don't have any footer menu? Okay, what's going on here right now? Where's all our text? Click on customize. Where's all this gone now? Yeah, this happens if you do web design, then or if you want to build stores or something like this, then yeah, of course, this happens. So let's go here. Footer builder, copyright widget 1, only one widget. What's this? Let's add widget 6, for example. Let me see menus. Let's go to widgets real quick. Footer 1 image. Okay. I don't know where the text went, so then let's grab new text there, and then you can click here, and then you can select where the new text widget should be. Footer 1, and here add widget. So now we have a widget here. Let's call it, I don't know, hello test. Hello, my name is Tim, for example. Click on save here. Done. So then let's refresh this. Yeah, okay, now we have text again here. I don't know where the menu went. Let's close this. Yes, leave please. Footer 2, no widget in here. Okay, strange. Let's go to navigation menu, add to footer 2, add widget. Let's select footer menu 2. Let's call this our products. Yeah, save. Yeah, this happens from time to time. This is web design and e-commerce. Then always happens something strange. So okay, now this is back. I don't know why, but and yeah, the same goes for footer 3. So here you can add different stuff. Maybe you want to add a new menu, navigation menu, footer 3, add widget, footer menu 3. I don't know, footer 3, for example, save. and then done. Okay, and you don't have to click on save or something like this. And then let's go back to our menus. And here you can then, now we are on menu 1. Let's go to menu 3, for example, select, and then you can customize the menu 3. Maybe, I don't know, your contact or something like this, or the most important pages. Yeah, most important pages. So here we can display our product categories, for example, and then in the menu 3 we can we can display all the important sites. Let's go to all: the homepage, the blog, the about us, maybe the cart, contact, of course, shop page we want to display here. Then we click on add. This takes a while. Okay, there it is. And then we can delete the old stuff here, FAQ. So then remove school calendar. We can remove this. Events, we can remove, and then we click on save menu here. This takes a while. Okay, now this is updated or refreshed, and then refresh this here. Yeah, this looks better. Of course, the name is stupid. We have to change this for important links or something like this. And here we can add a text widget above the social media thingies here, and then we can display here our contact informations and stuff like this. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you, for example, the contact page, how we can customize this. So this is the same. We go edit with Elementor, open a new tab, and then you can customize everything and play around. And don't rush this. So this takes a while. So if I build a website, so I do website for a living on e-commerce and SEO, and if we build a store like this will take us a week, for example, to fully optimize all the text and so on. Yeah, here you can change this. You can add, for example, tag thingy here. Let's put it above. But you know how this works. And here you can send us a message. Then here you write something like this. We are always there for you. You can always reach us via email, via our contact form, something like this. And you can delete your phone number. You can delete the whole thingy here. Let me show you. Hover over this and then delete, and then it's gone. And this is here you can see the contact form 7 form, inquiry form. Yeah, this is the only form. Then we press on publish and we can close this. Then let's refresh this. And yeah, here you can see, here are the changes we made. Then yeah, the same goes for the about us page and so on. Elementor, write about you, why you like your product, why you choose this product category, explain a little bit about yourself, about your company, about how everything works, and so that you build a little bit of trust with your potential viewers. And yeah, so I think now you know how Elementor works, how you should customize all the pages. So, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below, and I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And yeah, make everything in detail. And yeah, then so then let's move on to the WooCommerce section. So I will show you what you have to what important settings you have to make in the WooCommerce settings, and this is what we want to do next. So then let me show you what we have to do under WooCommerce and under settings. So there, of course, you have to enter your address and yeah, your city, your country. If you are in the United States, then you have to select United States. If you are in Brazil, then you have to select Brazil. I am in Germany, Berlin right now. So here I can enter my address, or you have to enter your address. Here you can see general options, selling locations. Then you have to change this to your specific country. So if you are, for example, like me in Germany, then I have to go here, sell to specific countries. And here I can specify this. In my case, I select Germany. So, and if you want to sell to different countries, for example, if I want to also integrate France, so if I want to, sell my products to France as well, because France is right around the corner, or the Netherlands is also right around the corner, I can put into here Netherlands, there's Netherlands and also France. So then when somebody is from this region, from France, Germany and Netherlands, they can order from my store. But if they are, for example, from Belgium and they want to order something, then the store says, no, you don't allow it, or we don't ship to your region. And this is really important. Default customer location, shop country, yeah, shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to, of course. Enable tax rates, you can enable this. Then here you can change the currency. For me it is euros. You can if you are in the Fijis, then you can change it to Fiji dollars. Then we have to click save changes. Okay, then we can go to products. We have to make a few settings here. So the shop page, this is right. Make sure that this is to shop. So this is your main shop page. This is important. Weight unit, for me it's kilogram and centimeters. If you are in the United States, of course, then it is pound or whatever you use over there. And here you can enable product reviews if you want to enable this. If you want to that your customers are able to leave reviews, then you can leave this checked here, so on and so on. Then we click on save changes. And then we go to inventory, and here this is really important, that you stock display format, enable, here this out of stock visibility. So hide out of stock items from your catalog. So when something is sold out, then this product will not display it on your product page. So then we check this, we click on save changes. So downloadable product, we don't have downloadable products. Here you can select or set different tax rates. Shipping, this is also important. Shipping, here you can see that you can offer different shipping methods. So for example, you want to offer free shipping. Let me show you. Then we click on add zone, and this zone we give the name free shipping region. So yeah, Europe, France, Germany, because I selected France and Germany, then I can select all countries, and here I can add the shipping method. So free shipping, yeah, you can select free shipping or flat rate. So for this, I want to select free shipping, continue. Free shipping requires, here you can set a coupon code, a minimum order amount or something like this. I leave it on no requirements. Create new zone. Okay, and then we have our first shipping method. Then we can go back to shipping zones here. And then let's make a new zone, for example. Let's call it priority shipping or something like this. Priority shipping. Priority shipping. Zones, Europe. Select all. Select all. So, okay, we can remove this. So select all countries. Add shipping method, flat rate. Now we want to then continue. Taxable, yes. I want to name this, yeah, priority shipping, for example. You don't have to use this extra fast, and so you can make a few more bucks here. Let's give it $6.99. Yeah, create and save. And now we have two shipping methods. So now they can select if they want to have free shipping or priority shipping. Payments, under payments, yeah, this is also really easy. So under payments, you already have installed Woo payments, and I really like Woo payments. So Woo payments is the same as Stripe. Woo payments is only another word for Stripe payments, and this is really great. So you can in under 10 minutes you can set this up. You can click here. I don't want to do this right now because yeah, this is a demo store. Simply click on install and activate, and then they will guide you through the whole process. So the process will take you 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have integrated Stripe, and then yeah, if somebody orders from you, then they have to pay via Stripe. They can pay via credit card or via Google Pay or Apple Pay when they are on your store with a Mac or with an iPhone, for example. Then they have automatically the Apple Pay payment method, and this is really great. This is so simple. And yeah, I really like this because yeah, you can accept credit cards in 5 to 10 minutes, and also yeah, Google Pay and Apple Pay here. Really easy to set up. Simply click on install and then activate, and then you have an setup visitor that guides you through the whole process. You only have to provide your address and I think your phone number and your bank account where they have to send the money to. So when they receive the money, then they will send the money after a few days to your bank account, and it's so easy, so simple, so straightforward. And also you can add new payment methods. So then when you want to add PayPal, for example, you can do this. It's really simple. Yeah, then let's go to accounts and privacy. Yeah, here guest checkout and something like this. So emails. This is nothing too interesting because you can look here and see what it is, play around with it, but it's really straightforward. And yeah, I think that's it for the WooCommerce settings. Oh, let me show you another thing. So this is the main WooCommerce settings. Let me go to products real quick. So here under products, so WooCommerce and products are separated. I don't know why, but maybe it's a little bit better. I don't know. Under products, you can see all products, add new product, but we don't want to add manual product. We want to do this later on with Printful, that we automatically send our print products, our print on demand products from Printful directly to our store. And here categories. So categories is important. Let me go to categories real quick. Here you have we should do it now or as soon as we can. Now you can see we only have uncategorized, and in my store here I have these 4 categories. The Panda category. So let me copy this, Panda Perfection. Let me put this in here, Panda Perfection. you could or you should write a description, so for SEO, but this is what we do normally later. So yeah, the SEO process is later on. You will find many videos about SEO on my channel. Now then let's add new category, and now we have the first category. Yeah, there you can see Panda Perfection. Do the same with Kitten and Cuddles. Copy this, paste it in here, add new category. Let's copy the next one, Jungle Life. Come on, put it in here, add new category. Let's copy the next under the C. So then you can add as many categories as you want. Okay, perfect. Now we have our 4 categories. Yeah, and here you don't have to do anything. Here you can see the reviews or add manually reviews, attributes. This is not interesting. Text is also not interesting. And yeah, then here under all products, you will see later all the products that we transfer from Printful to our store. This is automatically done by Printful, by the integration, and this is what I think we will do next. Okay, now it's getting a little bit more serious. Now we want to connect the WooCommerce store or our WordPress website with Printful. So yeah, Printful is, I think, one of the best print-on-demand suppliers. Of course, there are many other print-on-demand suppliers out there or websites where you can set up an account and then connect it with WooCommerce. But in my opinion, yeah, Printful is, yeah, like I said, one of the best options. So Printful offers a ton of different products. Here you can see on their website. Now I'm on their website. You can see you can customize a ton of different products. Yeah, and it's really easy to integrate Printful with WordPress or WooCommerce. And yeah, this is what we want to do now. So now you have to, when you go to printful.com, I will put the link in the video description. It's printful.com, but I will put the link in the video description. So you can click on it and then you will land on this homepage here. And then all you have to do is press on the sign up button here. And then let me do this. So of course I already have a Printful account, but it's really easy to create the account. All you have to do, you can of course sign up with your Google account or yeah, sign up with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, or you can make an account with your email address, and then you have to set up or yeah, give some information, your name, your email address, and so on. So it's pretty easy to make this. And yeah, so when you did this, then let me show you how this looks like on the back end of Printful. Okay, now we are in the back end of my Printful account, and you can see, yeah, I have already 2 stores, one Etsy store and one WooCommerce print-on-demand store. Yeah, you will now see something like this where you have to choose a platform. So here you can see to create a new store, choose your method. Then we can click on choose platform to integrate our WooCommerce store. And here you have all the different platforms you can connect with. You can see Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace. And we have, of course, click on WooCommerce here. And then you can see they give you an instruction how you can set up your WooCommerce store. Here you can see exactly what you have to do, but I will show you, of course, in detail. Here they will say that you have to select the right permalink structure, but we already did this. Then we have to install the Printful plugin. So all you have to do, don't need to copy the name. So all we have to do now is go to our WordPress WooCommerce backend, and then we go to plugins and add new plugins. And now we search for the Printful integration. So here you can see search plugins, then we enter Printful, and Now we see this plugin here, the Printful plugin, Printful integration for WooCommerce, and then we click on install now. Perfect, the Printful app or the Printful plugin is activated. So then let's search. Here's the Printful integration, you can see, and now we have a separate menu for Printful. You can see on the left side here, Printful, and then I click on Printful. And now, yeah, this is straightforward. So we can connect our store. Then we click on connect here. And now we will get this message if we trust the store or if we trust Printful. And then we have to click follow the link. And yeah, I want to approve this. So this is that, yeah, our store is allowed to connect with Printful. So we have to, yeah, give the permission for this. Okay, then our store is already connected. So this is, yeah, this is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let me check, is everything okay? Yeah, okay, everything is okay. Now I can see my new store here. So selling region is set to Germany. Make sure that the selling region is set correctly. Yeah, I could of course change it to worldwide or United States, but yeah, for this example, because yeah, I'm in Germany, so due to my IP address, Printful knows that I'm in Germany and that I want to sell to Germany, but I also could set it to worldwide. So then we can click on view store, and now we can see this is our store. So yeah, there's not much going on because we don't have any products yet, and this is what we want to do now. And also what you have to do, you have to go to settings, and then you make all the settings. You have to make the settings for the payment methods, for example. So you have to put in your credit card or your PayPal address, for example. Then in case an order comes into your store, that the order get automatically fulfilled, so that they automatically charge your credit card or your PayPal account, and then Printful will produce the product and send it out to your customer, so you don't have to worry about anything. So in case there's a new order, this will everything is automated and you don't have to worry. So for example, if you create 20 products, for example, and then you put them live on your store, and then all you have to do is drive traffic to your store, for example, to SEO, or to I don't know, ads or something like this, and then you don't have to do anything because Printful will automatically get noticed when there is a new order, and then they will fulfill the order, and then they will ship the order out to your customer. And this is pretty easy, and this is why I like Printful. So make sure to fill out to make all the settings. Here you can see my account. There you have to, I think here or under stores, I'm not too sure where you have to put in your payment informations, or under more, I don't know. Billing, under more, and then here is billing. You can see here you can set up your billing method, then how to handle returns. So everything is pretty much straightforward here. And branding, if you want to have a branding, so they can for example, if you sell a t-shirt, and then they can automatically put in a sticker on this t-shirt from your store or with your logo or something like this. Here you can set your warehouse, where your warehouse should be located. So of course I am in Germany, then my warehouse should be in Europe somewhere, or in Germany. If you are in the United States, then in the United States. If you are in France, then you're in France. And that's it. So then let's move on to creating our first product. Okay. So then, let's click on add a product. And here you can see all the products they are offering. Of course, they are offering thousands of different products. You can see wooden ornaments, phone cases, ashtrays, yeah, t-shirt, hoodies, jackets, everything, glasses. Yeah, you can even print posters. You can offer posters on your website. But for this example video, we want to create a t-shirt. So let's click here. So you can see here, this is the price. So this is very very expensive t-shirt. So this is a men's premium cotton, and this is 32 or even $32. Let's see if we can get a normal t-shirt. So we click on men's, then t-shirt, I think. And here we should see the normal shirts. Yeah, here you can see the cheaper t-shirts. Of course, if you are selecting the cheaper t-shirt, then of course the quality of the shirts is not that great. So of course, if you want to build a real brand with this print-on-demand store, then maybe, yeah, you should choose a little bit more pricier shirt, more high quality shirts. And what you also can do is you can make a test order, so that you, for example, make this product, put your desired design on the t-shirt, for example here, and then buy it and order and let it ship to yourself. And then, yeah, you can see the quality. So maybe you buy this one, and this one, for example, and then let it ship to yourself, and then you can see exactly how the quality it looks like, how the haptic of the fabric is, and so on. And then, of course, yeah, you can decide which quality you want to get for your brand or for your product. So then let's choose, in this example, let's choose this here. Click on it. And here, yeah, here you can see all the different or the two different printing techniques. DTG, direct to garment. So this means the t-shirt will be printed in a flatbed printer, so with normal ink, with fabric ink. And this is, yeah, embroidery. So we leave this on DTG because, yeah, with DTG we can print we can print colorful graphics, photos or something like this. And here we can choose all the colors we want to offer. Let's choose brown, let's choose red, and then orange and this ash. Yeah, okay, and here we can see the sizes we want to offer. You can uncheck them or you can leave them all checked. Then, yeah, this looks good. And then let's click on continue. I don't know why first we have to upload the design. Yeah, I totally forgot about it. And here you can see front. You can design the front. You can design also the back of the shirt. You can design the label, inside label, left sleeve, right sleeve. You can fully customize the shirt. But for this, we want only the front. So I click on upload or drop your design. Then I will click on upload new file, and then I can choose a file from my computer. Let's choose this. Okay, and then, yeah, the upload process will begin and all the uploaded files will be stored. Okay, here is our cute dog. Then I click on apply. Okay, and now the system tells us that the image resolution is too low. This means, yeah, okay, for this test I have just downloaded a few images from various sources, and yeah, it can happen that yeah, this resolution is not good enough. So, and this is why you have to make the the graphic as big as you can, and the pixel size as big as possible, because then yeah, this is much better for the printing machine. Then the quality of the print is better. But for this example, I will ignore this, so I will X this out. And here you can see now I can freely place this on my shirt where I want to have it. So I want to have it in the middle, and then I will click on continue. So, and here you can see we can choose some mockups. So I will click on choose mockups, or you can build custom mockups with your own images in the background. But I will choose the basic mockups. So, and here we can select our mockup that we want to use. Yeah, or this dude. Or this girl. Let's take this dude, and here we can select our favorite image. Let's select this. Okay, this will be displayed in the this is the main image now. Front 2 placement, front 2. I think this is okay. Mockup format in JPEG. This is okay. Click on continue, and yeah, so here we can choose, or here we can make the description of the shirt. Product title, yeah, of course the product title is crucial, so for SEO and also for your shop. So then let's give this a name. Cool cute dog shirt. So make sure that the title, the product title, is very descriptive, what is on your shirt. And then this is also important for Google. So Google of course will scan your store, and Google will see later this title, and then Google and all the other search engines knows exactly what this product is all about. And this is why you have to have a really good product title. So of course this product title is not good, so you have to think about the title and come up with a good title. Yeah, of course I create the video here, and I don't have time to figure out the best SEO title. And yeah, this is also a demo store, and this is why I just put in this crappy title here, but you know what I mean. So, and then the description is also really crucial. So make sure this is the stock description here. So you can leave this, and then you can write a little bit about the shirt. What's on the shirt, and make a good description. And yeah, for sure the Google can see the description, and also yeah, your customer will see the description. And this is why the description should be unique and very descriptive. And yeah, this is why you have to make a good description. And also later on, when we transfer this shirt to our store, when the shirt is in our store, then of course we can change the title and the description later on as well. But I think it's a really good idea when we make the description now, or when you make the description now, come up with a good description. And yeah, so that your customers and also the search engine knows exactly what's going on here. So then, for example, this is a cool looking dog shirt. Okay, this is maybe not the best SEO description, but yeah, you get the idea. So then benefits, we can leave this. Product categories. So when we click here, then we can see now Printful has access to our WooCommerce store, and Printful can see all our categories that we have created before. And this is why we created the categories before. So then yeah, now Printful knows exactly all the categories we have in our store, and then we can choose the right category. For example, this is, yeah, let's put it on kittens, for example, to show you. So then yeah, and this is why we created all the categories before, and Printful has now full access to our store and can view everything, and also can transfer all the made products to our store later. So then we click on continue, and here we can set the pricing. Now it's getting interesting. So here you can see the pricing, and here you can see your estimate earnings. You can of course increase this. Here you can see increase retail price by %, or I think yeah, or US dollars. So we can change it to 40% for all. Then click on set, and now you can see the prices for the shirts are higher and our earnings are higher. Yeah, and you can play around with it, of course. Yeah, it don't makes, or it's completely up to you how you price the product in your store for your product. Then here we can click on submit to the store. Yeah, and now you can see this product will get sent to our WooCommerce store, and then the product is live. Yeah, then we can start selling, and yeah, this is everything. Now the product is live on our store, and when you have set up a payment method in your store, yeah, then people can also can buy this product, this store already, this t-shirt already. And then let's create a new product. Add new product. Now let's take hat, for example. Let's make a hat. Beanie, make a trucker hat. So then let's take this trucker hat. This is really cool. Here you can see embroidery or direct to film. So this is a little bit different. DTF, this means direct to film. So they will print the graphic on a film, and then they transfer the graphic from the film via a heat press to the fabric. This is really glossy. The finish of the product will be really glossy, but it's a little bit more cheaper than embroidery. So embroidery, yeah, is a little bit more expensive, and also with embroidery you cannot make photos, for example, full color photos. You can make full color photos with DTF, for example. So, and this I only have full color graphics. This is why I choose now DTF. Let's offer this hat in this color. Select all sizes, one size for all. So then let's upload a new image. Let's choose a new file. Let's choose this, for example. I don't know what this is. Could not upload. Oh, this is a web file. Okay. Let's choose this. Okay, there's our funny cow. The cow is cool. Here also you can see the pixel size, or the dots per inch, DPI, dots per inch. This is really good, as you can see, good. And now we can make it bigger, smaller. Oh, and we have to pay attention. They only can print in, yeah, here in this container. And then, yeah, we place it in the middle of the printable container. Perfect. And then we click on continue. Now we can choose basic mockups, and let's choose maybe this girl. No, choose this girl. Yeah, this looks cool. Let's click on continue here. And yeah, again, you have to make a good product title and a product description with how benefits of, let's activate, but let's, here you can choose the category. Let's leave it on jungle. Continue, and here we can set the pricing. Your retail price is too low. What happened here? Is to increase retail price by, oh, I think this is only for US. Okay, this is only for US, this product. So I don't, I cannot choose this product because I'm in Germany. This is a US product. I don't know what this. Okay, let's make another one. I don't know. Unlimited color. Then let's choose this one. I don't know what the problem here is. Continue. Basic mockup. This. Continue. Then continue. Your retail price is too low. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, okay, now it's working. No, what's going on here? So then I will click on submit to store. Yeah, and now this product gets sent to our store, and let's check it on our store. Now you can see this product that we created has already been sent to our store. You can see it's marked green. You can click here, view in your store, view in WooCommerce, or you can edit it in WooCommerce, but we will jump to our WooCommerce store and then we will do it this way. Yeah, it takes a while because Printful has sent all the big images and all the text and all the information to our store. That this can take 5 to 10 minutes for the file transfer. Yeah, because the images are so large, and yeah, it takes a little bit. Okay, now it's already transferred. Here you can see. Yeah, this is transferred, I think. Let's go to our store. Let's click here. Let's go to dashboard real quick. And then let's go to products and let's see if our products are here. Yeah, and here you can see there they are. And let's click here on the head, and let's on the trucker head. Let's click on view, open a new tab. And here is our new first product. You can see that is pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and then they can already buy this. And yeah, later on we have to custom. And here's the description. Yeah, and now of course we have to edit our store a little bit more, make it a little bit better. And this is what we will do next. So now let me show you how you can create designs for the print-on-demand products. Right now I am on the Canva homepage, on Canva, and I have a Canva subscription. So I think Canva is really good to create designs for print-on-demand products, but you also can use Photoshop, for example, to create it, or different programs. But I want to show you how you can create this in Canva. So you don't need to have a subscription in Canva. Yeah, a subscription gives you more objects you can use, and yeah, more objects to create, or more options to create the product. But let me show you how this works. So, or let me show you the basics. So what we can do to create a new design for our print-on-demand products. So we can click here on create a design, and then we can choose custom size. And so it's really important that the size of the file is not too small, because when the file is too small, then we have a problem with the quality of the print. And for this example, so let's say we want to make a file for a t-shirt, for example. Then for a t-shirt, I would suggest, here we are now on pixel, units pixel. For t-shirts, for example, let's make 3000 pixels, or let's, yeah, high 3000, and let's make the width to 2000, for example. So this is a good file size, or a pixel size for a t-shirt design, for example. Then click on create new design. Now here you can see the blank Canva. And then on the left side we have elements tab, and here we can search for different elements. So let's say we want to make a t-shirt for a dog. Let's search for dog. Here you can see all graphics, photos, and let's click on graphics, see all. And now here we can see a ton of different dog images, and let's, yeah, this or let's take this doc image, and then we have to make it a little bit bigger. So this is good. And now we can download, or we have to give them first a file name. Cute brown dog, cute brownish dog, cute brown dog. And then we can click on share, and then we can click on download. So, and when you have a Canva subscription, a paid Canva subscription, for example, then you have the option to make a transparent background. If you don't have a paid Canva subscription, then this option is hidden, or you cannot select this, but there is a way around. So let's say we don't have a paid subscription, and we can choose the transparent background. So it's really important that we later on upload a transparent image, because when we would upload this with a white background, then the guys or the machines at the production will print this white background onto our t-shirt, for example. And this is why it is really important that we remove the background. So when we would upload this image with a white background, then the printing machine would print the white background, and then the dog or whatever graphics you have. So let's say, for example, we don't have a paid subscription. In my case, I can download with a transparent background, but let's say we don't have the paid subscription. Then we click on, and here you can see PNG. So select PNG, then we click on download. Oh, now we have a problem. We cannot download this, so we have to add a different object here, and then go to position, move to back. I don't know why this is. I think this is an error right now with Canva, but now we can download this. Click on download and then download. So now it works. Okay, and let's minimize this. So now let me show you on my download folder. Now we have this dog, and when I open this, you can see this image has a white background. So what I can do now, I'm using Mac right now, and on Mac it's really easy. I just simply right click on the image, and then quick actions, and then remove background. And then, the computer removes the background. But if you are on Windows, for example, then there are a ton of different websites out there that can remove the background of an image. Simply go to Google and search for background remover, free background remover, and then you can upload your images there, and then they will remove the white background. So now you can see when I click here, now the background is removed, everything is good, and now this file is printable. So then they only print the image of the dog and without any background. And let me show you another way how you can produce good images for print on demand. So, and we go now to Bing. So Bing is really good to create images. Here I'm right now on the Bing homepage, and then Bing has the Copilot function. And let me open this. Okay, and here we can, this is an AI tool. So here we can put in a prompt. So for example, create an image of a cute dog without any background. So let's see what Bing comes up with here. This of course takes a while. Now you can see Bing is creating our new image, or Bing creates 4 different images. Here you can see now I told Bing without a background, so but we have now a background. Then let's try to please remove the background. Let's see if this works. Yeah, you have to play around a little bit and adjust the settings or the prompts. But now let's hope that we get an image without any background. So, okay, now Bing tries very hard, but we still have a background. But let's try to remove the background. Let's click on this doc image here, and then we can download. This is a really cool image. Let's download this image, save image as. So let's go to our desktop, put it on the desktop. Okay, let's minimize this. Here's the image, and let's right click and quick action remove background. Yeah, and here you can see now the background is removed, and yeah, it looks really cool. And of course, yeah, you can play around with Bing. So I think Bing is a really cool AI tool to create images. So of course, Bing is completely free. You have I think 14 $40 or 14 tries every day to create images. And I think when you create more than 14 images, then it takes a little bit longer, but it still works. So you can see it's powered by Dolly 3. And yeah, you can play around with it, and this is a really cool way to create AI images for your print-on-demand product. And when you want to remove it, so when you are on Mac, this is really simple. Simply right-click and then tell to remove the background. But if you are on Windows, I don't know exactly, I don't think Windows has the same function, but if you are on Windows, you can simply search, go to Google and search for free image background remover tool, and there are a ton of different background removal tools you can use. And yeah, then you can play around with it. And of course, it is really important that you make the file size big enough so that when you make it too small, for example, then you will see the pixels later on the print product, and this is not good. This is why you have to create larger file size or larger pixel sizes, so that yeah, the printing machine can print really good resolutions of your image. And yeah, this is why you have to create images with really huge or larger pixel size. So yeah, and I think now you know how to create the images for your print-on-demand product. But of course, yeah, you can use, of course, photos, for example, and other graphics. But yeah, you have to adjust them and make them big enough, and then remove the background. This is yeah, really important that the images don't have any background, so that the printing machine don't print the white background on your print product. So okay, now we are back on the home page, and I want to show you a few more things that we can do or have to do. So let's click here, and then let's go back to the Elementor editor. I'm on the home page. Edit with Elementor, open in a new tab. So, and now we have the buttons. I want to show you how we can or how you should set up these buttons. So for example, the first button, shop now, see our collection. We want to connect with the shop page. So we can hover over the shop navigation thingy here, and then right click and then copy link address. Then we click on our button, and then here we can paste in the link. Okay, and yeah, and here we are now. Let's go back here. And here we are now on the categories. So of course now we have to link the categories. So here my panda perfection, kitten cuddles, jungle life, under the sea. Yeah, these buttons are not linked. So then in order to get the link for the collection, go to our backend, and then we click on categories. What category was this? Panda perfection in this case. Panda perfection. Here you can see when I hover with my mouse over this view, I hover over view, right click, copy link address, and go here and paste in the address here. And the next kittens and cuddles, I go to the button, kittens and cuddles view, copy link address, and then I will paste this in here. Perfect. And the same jungle live view, copy link address, and then paste it in here. Great. So yeah, with under the C is the same. View all categories. This is here we paste in the link to our shop. So again, I go to shop, copy link address, go to the button, paste it in here. Okay. And then we click on publish, then this is saved. Yeah, and let's say now we want to display all our products, for example. So we go, we want to make it here or here. Then we hover over this, then we click on the plus icon, add new container, flexbox, full width. So here we have a new container. Then I click here on the plus icon, and then here I will search for I don't know, product or something like this. Yeah, Woo product grid. Yeah, I think Woo product grid. I grab it and I put it in here. Yeah, and now you can see these products are getting displayed. You can see you can set up the layout, the styling. You can set the columns, how many columns. Show batch, product settings. Here you can order source products, and here also you can here you can select the category. If you only want to add only show one category, then you can click on the plus icon, and then you can select the product category. Now it only shows two product categories because only these two product categories have real or have live products in there. So the hat and the t-shirt, and the other two categories don't have any products yet. So then we leave this for now. You can of course play around with this, customize this to your likings. Image clickable, I think this is a good idea. Then show product, compare. There are so many options here. Sale badge, you can add a sale badge if you want. Add to cart. Yeah, you can make an add to cart. So then buy now. Okay, looking good. We leave this for now. And of course, the more products you have on your store, the more products will get displayed here, or you can set it how you like it. And let's say we want a little bit of margin, then we click here on the 6 dots, advanced margin, we leave this, and the top margin, we give it a little bit more margin, and let's give it a little bit more margin on the bottom. Okay, great, let's publish this. Okay, now this is published. Let's go to our homepage and let's refresh our homepage. Let's see if everything is good. Let's hover over the link. Yeah, the links or the buttons are set correctly. The same goes with the shop button. The shop button is already, we did already. Yeah, and here are the product. Let me click on the product on our cool looking dog t-shirt. Yeah, and here it is. Now you can, now your customer can choose their desired color. That we that we have chosen in the Printful backend, and the size. So the size, and yeah, then they can click on add to cart, and yeah, they can buy your product. Here's the description, additional information, the weight. Reviews, we don't have any reviews yet, and I think, yeah, the shop looks really good. If you want to further customize the shop, you can go to my channel, and there you will find a ton of videos about how you can customize WooCommerce product page and also the checkout page. I don't want to include this stuff here in this tutorial. Feel free to go to my channel, and there you can find a ton of really in-depth videos on how to customize this page and the checkout page as well, and so on and so forth. So yeah, and when they click on add to cart, then here's the cart. They added this t-shirt, and then view view cart. Here's the cart, shipping free. Then proceed to checkout, and then they can pay for your. And when they check out and when they make the payment and everything, then you will get a notification, and also this order will directly or automatically get sent to Printful, and then Printful will produce the product for you. Of course, will charge your credit card or your PayPal account, whatever you have set in there. Because they have to produce this, and they want money from you, of course. But then you have the difference between the product cost and your retail price. This is your money then. And everything is automated. So the only thing you have to do is promote your store, drive traffic to your store, and then everything is automated. You don't have to do anything. Of course, you have to make your shop look really good. You have to make really cool products and so on and so forth. And this is how this is working. You can, if you go here to customizer, when you open the customizer, then I think with Rishi you can make a little bit styling to this checkout pages and to the cart pages. You have to check it, and then here you can see we don't have any payment methods, and payment methods you can add really quickly. Like I said before, you can add Stripe or Woo payments. I think this is one of the best, because then you can use credit cards and Google Pay, Apple Pay, and also of course you can add PayPal if you want to, and all the other payment methods. And the next thing you have to do, so we are now on our store. Let's go back, and the next thing is, what you have to do is design all the pages. You please make sure that you have a good and good About Us page. Tell them what your store is about, why they can trust you, and the secret to this is building trust, and make sure that they feel comfortable with buying from your store. And also there are a few pages that you should or could add. So for example, the homepage, of course, you have to create a really good homepage. Then the About Us page, you need a good About Us page, you need a good contact us page. So, and then you can also add a FAQ page. So for example, if there are potential questions, then you can build an FAQ page where you answer all of this. So let me show you how you can create new pages. So then we go back to our dashboard, then we go to pages, and let's say now we want to create a new page or an FAQ page, but we don't want to start from scratch. We want to reuse our About Us page. So then we hover over About Us, and here you can see EA Duplicator. So when we click on EA Duplicator, then this page will get duplicated. So, and this is also for all the other pages. So now you can see we have an About copy page in draft mode. We can now go to Edit, right click, open in a new tab. And here we can close this. Here we can give the page a name, FAQ, focus keyword, FAQ. And here, this is important, the slug, we have to, FAQ, it's not working, FAQ. So the slug is really important. This is the address of this page. And then, please fill out the meta description. If you want to have more information how the SEO part works, please go to my channel. I have so many videos on my channel about SEO, and especially about Yoast SEO, how to use this. And there you can see everything in detail, how this works. So make sure to give this a meta description. Okay, and then we have this. Then we can click here on publish, and again, publish. Now the page is published. Let's wait a second, saving. Of course, this takes a while. Okay, now the page is live, and now we can exit here, and let's refresh this page. And now here's our FAQ page. Let's go hover over this, view, open in a new tab. And yeah, this is a duplicated FAQ page. I don't know what's going on here right now. Let's go back. Something is looking strange here. Let's go to edit page. Elementor full width. Don't know what's going on here right now. Let's go back, or let's close this. Let's open this again, open a new tab. Don't know why this looks so strange. Let's go to edit with Elementor. From time to time this happens when you duplicate pages. Open this real quick in Elementor. Let's see what's going on here. In Elementor, everything looks good. Let's click here. Let's make a change. Make here a test change. Publish this. Okay, and let's go back. Let's refresh this. And yeah, now everything is good. Yeah, from time to time this happens. Then you have to open this in Elementor. The first thing you have to do, or how to fix the problem, is to go edit page. Let's open this edit. Let's open this edit page thingy here, and make sure that this is template set to Elementor full width. And this is the first thing you can check if this is set to Elementor full width, or when this is set to default template or Elementor canvas, then make sure to click on Elementor full width. And when you did this, then click on save changes. And then the next thing is what you can check is open this page, the specific page in Elementor, and then make a small change and then save it in Elementor and then refresh it, and sorry, this should fix this. Okay, perfect. Now we have our FAQ page, and now we want to add the FAQ page to our main menu here on top. And for this is we go to appearance, menus, and then menu 1, I think it was. Yeah, menu 1, and here you can see our new FAQ page, add to menu. Yeah, there it is, and let's grab it and put it, for example, here. Then we click on save menu. Let's refresh this. Yeah, and here it is. Okay, now here is the page. Let's go back to our homepage, and here you can see, for example, in the tab here you can see it is called home minus print on demand store. So this is this is not really good for SEO, and also this looks a little bit strange when there is home. So for this, to give this a good name, we go to pages. And then we search for the homepage. Here's the homepage. It's called home. The site is called home. This is why you see here in the tab home. But we want to change this. And then all we have to do is edit, open in a new tab. Here we can enter a focus keyword, but we don't have to. And here you can customize this. You can see SEO title. So we can remove this, and now we only have print on demand store. Or of course you can write something here, so then Google will see this and your visitor will see this. So make sure that this is optimized. And this looks good. So for example, this is better than when there is the home, when there is home. So then we click on save. Now it is saved. Then we can close this, and then let's refresh this. And now you can see this is changed to this title. So this is much better than we have home. Yeah, and what else? So of course you have to design it, style everything, and yeah, write blog posts if you want, or remove the blog section. But for SEO, blogs are really interesting, because good blogs drive traffic to your website. You can do this, and yeah, so then if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. Okay, and I think that's it for this tutorial. Now you can create your own print-on-demand store and fully customize this, and you know exactly how you can create different products, how you can style the products, how you can create good graphics for your different products. And yeah, you have to play around with it a little bit. Of course, it takes a little bit of time that you get familiar with all the different tools, all the different settings, how you can create the product. And yeah, it takes a little bit of time. For example, when I create a product or a shop, a WooCommerce shop, let's say, for a client of mine, or even for myself, it takes a lot of time and a lot of energy to make a really good store. So don't be afraid to put in this time, and don't be confused why you're not able to fully or make a really good looking store in just one day. So it takes time. It takes a week, it takes 2 weeks, it takes even 3 weeks to create a store. But yeah, don't rush it. Make it as good as you can. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, please put it in the comments down below. And yeah, so then I will see your question, and then I can answer your question, or I can even make an explainer video where I show you all the different things, or where you have questions about. And yeah, so if you like the video, if you found some information, so some good information in the video, I would really appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and every subscription counts to me. And also, if you want to thank me for this free tutorial video, there's a link to my Patreon page. So on my Patreon page, I will publish interesting articles and helpful tools. And yeah, I would really happy if you subscribe to my Patreon page, and maybe yeah, you can do this as well. So yeah, I think now my little list of the video. Now I think we have everything yeah, done on my list, and I think, yeah, now you know exactly what to do, how you can create your own print-on-demand store. And so this is it for my video. So thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the best with your new store, and make sure to watch to check out my YouTube channel. I have a ton of different marketing videos there, SEO videos, and helpful videos to promote your store, to optimize your store. And so yeah, then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next time. Bye guys.